Hello my pretty, I'm gonna do a makeup tutorial featuring all my favorite Yesstyle. I'm gonna use PINKFLASH number 3. I like it, pigmented, reasonable price. Unleashia number 7. I'm gonna use this shadow as my highlight. It's just pretty. I'm going back in and use this pink matte all over my eyes. I'm going to use the About Tone glitter palette. This has become my favorite. Soft, smooth, don't really feel the glitter, glides so well, and it's sparkly. I'm going to use this pink as my inner corner and over my eyes. I'm using the Mary Motte Super Trim in Mocha Brown. Same brand, different color. This is the pink one. I'm going to highlight underneath my eye. I'm going to use my Rome and the finishing powder. It helps remove the shine. The lips, I'm using the Etude Fixing Tint number 10 Smoked Cherry.